Hi Eric, it seems like there is a issue with the new tenant. So when users sign up to the new tenant, the email is triggered for setting up the password. Okay, so after finishing this setup, if I go back to the business by miles, I got this email: activate your T1 account. So when I click on verify account, it is saying thank you for verifying your account. Please create your password now in order to sign up. So this page usually we get option to set up a password, but now it is not displayed. I mean, user cannot create the password from that link. And if we go and check the employee role, it's administrator. So by default, user has access to that. Uh, User has access to set up a T1 password. So we should get that link. Otherwise, user cannot set his password. So after that, we get welcome email, and using that welcome email, you just go inside the we cannot even go inside the application if there is no active session. Here we can go, but there is no option where user can create his password. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.